Today we're going to talk about infinitives with objects. Some verbs are followed by a noun or pronoun and then an infinitive. Some common examples are advise, encourage, force, invite, permit, remind, require, and warn. When these verbs are used in active voice, they cannot be followed by an infinitive alone. We can say, I invited John to come with us. Or, I invited him to come with us, but not. When we use these verbs in the passive, they are followed immediately by an infinitive. We do not need to use an object. Today we're going to talk about infinitives with John objects. Was invited to come with us. Some verbs are followed by a noun or pronoun. Some verbs can either take an infinitive alone or take common examples plus infinitive. Advise. Some common examples include force, expect, invite, need, permit, want, remind, and would require, and warn. Adding an object after these verbs are used in meaning. Active voice, compare these sentences. Be followed by an infinitive alone. I want to be happy. We can say, I invited John to come with us. Happy. Or, what is the difference between these two sentences? To come with us, but not. Notice the first sentence does not have an object. When we use these verbs in the passive, I am talking about myself. Immediately by an infinitive. Want to be happy. We do not need to use about my own happiness. For example, in the second sentence, John was invited to come with about your happiness. Not mine. Some verbs can either take an infinitive another example, or take an object. The teacher expects to arrive on time. Some common examples include the teacher expects his students to arrive on time. Need, want, again. The first sentence does not have an infinitive. Adding an object after these verbs changes the meaning. On time. Compare these sentences. His expectation for himself. I want to be happy. The second sentence shows the teacher's expectation of his students. What is the difference between these two sentences? I expect you to practice these verbs. Notice the first sentence does not have an object. In this sentence, I am talking about myself. I want to be happy. I'm thinking about my own happiness. In the second sentence, I'm concerned about your happiness, not mine. Let's look at another example. The teacher expects to arrive on time. The teacher expects his students to arrive on time. Again, the first sentence does not have an infinitive. The teacher plans to arrive on time. That is his expectation for himself. The second sentence shows the teacher's expectation of his students. Now, I expect you to practice these verbs. Good luck!